Hello, I welcome you to my Yoruba language class. In our class today, we shall be learning some conversational words. Alright, let's go. I, èmi. You, ìwọ. Them, àwọn. We, àwa. All of us, gbogbo wa. Theirs, tiwọn. Ours, tiwa. Yours, tìrẹ. There, ibẹ̀. Where, níbo. And, àti. From, láti. Come, wá. Go, lọ. Sit, jókòó. Stand, dìde. Eat, jẹun. Sleep, sùn. Play, ṣeré. Work, ṣiṣẹ́. Sing, kọrin. Want, fẹ́. Maybe, bóyá. Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. No, bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Now let's make some statements. How are you? Báwo ni? I'm fine, thank you. Mo wà dáadáa, ẹ ṣé. I love you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. I miss you. Àárò rẹ ń sọ mí. I am hungry. Ebi ń pa mí. What do you want to eat? Kí lo fẹ́ jẹ? I want to eat rice. Mo fẹ́ jẹ ìrẹsì. I'm thirsty. Òrùngbẹ ń gbẹ mí. Please give me some water. Jọ̀wọ́ fún mi ní omi. I am tired. Ó rẹ̀ mí. Take some rest. Lọ sinmi. We have come to the end of the lecture. We will meet in the next class.